Alright, so what you need to do is just simply go to CapCut. Once you're inside CapCut here, as you can see, I've already dragged the background of the video. So what you need to do is just simply go to overlay right over here, just press on overlay. And right over here you need to press on add overlay and add your overlay to it. And here as you can see, this is my overlay right now. So what I'm gonna do is just simply make it wider to fit in. And I'm just gonna cut out this video to reach its length. Once this is done, you gotta select the video that you're gonna remove the background of, okay? So right over here, what you need to do is just simply go right, and right over here you'll see the option of remove background. So you can see the option of remove background already right over here, but if you press on it, you'll get to see two options. First one being auto removal. It's as you can see, it's also showing the little diamond icon. It means it's for pro users. So if you press on it, you need to have pro. But here, as you can see, if I do that, here as you can see, it says auto removal, and if I do this, here as you can see, the whole background have been removed. And you can only do it for once. If you do it again, you will be needing CapCut Pro. So remember. So if yeah, here as you can see, the whole video is like that, and the whole background has been removed. Now you just need to simply press on export, and the video will be exported. And yeah, you just need to join CapCut Standard or Pro here, as I told you. You need to join that in order to do that. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can remove background in CapCut. Hope this video helped you out. I'll see you soon.